banks were getting average 10% of all the days. As an RBI, as the regulator, as RBI, I will ask banks to calculate every day. Why? Because today if I reduce rate, it will be lost in the average. High rate, low rate, medium rate, ka average will come here. But if I ask banks to calculate every day, will this reduce instantly? Yes. This will reduce. Yes or no? Yes. This particular thing, when cost was taken on average basis, earlier cost was taken on average basis, this is called as base rate regime. Base rate. This was the base rate. The cost of funds was the base rate. This was happening. So now answer, tell me this, if RBI wants rate to be lower, under base rate regime, if RBI wants rate to be lower, RBI will have to keep repo rate less for longer time or for shorter time. Why? Correct? If RBI wants this rate to be lower, RBI will have to reduce the repo rate for a long time. Then the average will come down because this guy is borrowing from various places. Then the average will come down. But if RBI wants instantly this rate should come down, RBI can tell banks calculate only on today's rate, calculate only on last week's rate, not the entire month's rate. Correct? So that system was introduced by RBI in 2016. Okay? That is known as MCLR. That is known as MCLR. English, pay attention to the English. You will understand the meaning with this example automatically. Lot of things. MCLR was in discussion since long time, but because you know what happened, 10-15 years down the line, new changes happen. Did you understand the meaning of the name? See this. See this. Marginal cost. Marginal cost means cost of incremental fund, new fund. So every day, if you are reading 10 chapters, your average is 10. But next day, if you read 12 chapters, your marginal, this is +2. But average will be something incrementally greater than 10 because 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 12 upon so many days. Thoda sa little bit, it will be more than 10, but definitely not 12. Marginal cost of funds. The new cost of funds pay, calculate your rate, base lending rate, MCLR. You got the logic of MCLR, why base rate is different from MCLR. What is beneficial to consumers? Why? If the average is very high, then MCLR is beneficial to consumers because whenever RBI wants to reduce rates, it can do instantly. Yes or no? So this is not calculated every day. This is calculated on a 15-day period or a weekly period, depending on the different tenors. It is not every day, but definitely it is not average. So this was based on average cost. This is based on marginal cost. If there is a statement, base rate is on average cost, this is on marginal cost. Do you know marginal cost? New cost. And take only new cost into consideration. Correct? So can I say that RBI has taken direct control in its hands of counting or of setting up the rates?